welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing, I'm gonna like spill this, I'm like too excited, 1 second. Okay, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing my closet swap. I'm starting this video at like 4 o'clock, and there's gonna be like no sunlight in like 2 hours, so I don't even know why I'm starting this, but like I have to start it because I was getting so frustrated with trying to plan my fall lookbook, which is like super behind already, like as it is, but I have no fall clothes out because all of my stuff is for like summer and spring, and like I can't use these colors for a fall lookbook. It's not gonna work out. So I need some items for tomorrow because I'm starting to shoot my fall lookbook tomorrow, so obviously I need some new pieces. So let's just jump right into it and see how much I can get done in 2 hours. Okay, so we're starting out with this stuff. Obviously, this is my clothes rack that is, if you can tell, it's kind of falling a little bit. I really need to get a new one. I'm going to be taking out all the dresses that are for spring and summer, and I'm going to be putting them on my bed, and same thing that I'm going to be doing inside my closet. So I take out all the pieces that I know are just for the spring and the summer, and then just kind of put them on my bed and then switch them all around. I swear this thing is gonna fall one of these days, and it's gonna happen like in the middle of the night, and it's gonna give me like a heart attack. I had a moment because I'm like drinking out of this coffee cup, and there's another coffee cup over there, and I was like, which one of these is my coffee? But here it is. Okay, let's go into the closet. Okay, I'm gonna be starting out with like all the jackets and then also dealing with all the tops. Oh wait, I have more dresses over here. Maybe I should do that first. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. I don't even want to do this right now, but like I really need to because I will not be able to sleep with all of that stuff on top of my bed. So like I really need to start bringing stuff up. So I'm gonna be going downstairs and getting all the garment bags and just kind of like swapping them out. So I really need to go through all of my coats that I'm bringing up because usually they're really tight in my closet and I don't have like any more room. So I really want to make sure that I'm actually going to be wearing all the coats that I have. I'm thinking of maybe starting a Depop. A few of you guys have asked me about it. So something to consider. Let me know if you guys would be interested in the comments below. Okay, so this is the current situation. This is what my closet is looking like. I have some warm coats over here. I still obviously need to color coat that properly. And then I have some lighter coats and like trenchy type things over here. This is still the mess that is on top of my bed that I need to deal with. But it is a lot more manageable than it was before. This is what my garment rack is looking like right now. I have mostly like all my dark stuff, like all my dark dresses and stuff. Okay guys, it is 2 days later. I was a little busy yesterday, so I couldn't work on my closet. I haven't really made that much progress. I did finish with all the hanging stuff with the exception of the skirts. So we're gonna be working on that today. And then I also have to do all of the sweaters and the shoes and the bags. So I have a lot of things to do and a lot of things to organize. And I really wanna get it done before the sun leaves, obviously by the end of the day. So let's just jump right into it. I don't know what this is. Okay. So this is what all of my stuff was looking like because I really need to just take everything out. It's like a mishmash of like spring, half winter. I don't even know what this is. I still need to like refold all of those, but look at all the room I have. On my bed I just kind of have some sweaters, so I have like all my skirts here, vests, and then I have like pants over there, and these are kind of like the sweaters that I'm hoping to put up here somewhere. I just have to organize my shoes first to see what's gonna fit. Now I have all of my fall shoes here. And I'm going to try putting them all up into the shelves in my closet just because that way I can kind of sort out this giant mess that's on my bed right now. I just need to plan out like how much room I have for shoes and how much room I have for sweaters and then kind of just go from there. For everybody wondering, here's Rupert. My bed is looking way more empty, so I'm just going to get myself some coffee and then deal with the skirts and then hopefully be done shortly. I do have a lot of things that I need to try on and see if I'm gonna keep or donate, so I would love you guys' opinion, so I'll try some stuff on for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much what we have going on right now. Let's go get coffee. Coffee. Okay, so you guys know I use these 4-tiered hangers for all of my skirts. So let's see how many we can fit on here. I try to color code them as much as I can, just because it makes it a lot easier to just look for skirts, obviously. Thought that I was gonna have more things that I wanted to like clear out or like donate or sell for my closet, but I just remembered that I did like a huge clear out at the end of the fall, so I only have a bit of things. I have a bit of a pile and I want to try it on and see you guys' opinion if I should keep it or donate or sell it, or just like let me know. Okay, up first we have this little number. So it is a coat. It's gray with some like, what is this pattern called? Herringbone? I don't even know. Anyway, so it looks like that, and then it has some like faux fur collar detailing. It's actually really cute. I like it a lot, but the thing is, like, I have other coats that I'm gonna get more wear out of, so I'm not really sure. And then we have this little coat. I love this one. I think it's so cute. It's like a nice little like peachy kind of like pink. I love this color. I've had it for like 3 years though, and I've only worn it once, so not really sure how practical that is. Every time I put it on I love it, but I'm not entirely sure just because I don't really reach for it, so let me know what you guys think. I have this coat, which I think is so cute and so fun. I love wearing it with no tights. I just think it looks like so fun. This is from Zara and it's like a tweed kind of coat, and it has this like bow tie thing at the front. I think it's really cute. Again, I've had this for a couple years and I've only worn it like a couple of times, so not really sure how worth it is. But now that I'm actually looking at it like in this footage, I'm like, I really like it, so I don't even know if I'm actually gonna part with it. I don't think I can. It's just so cute, and like, I don't know, I really like it, so I think I just convinced myself to just keep this one. And then I have this jacket, and it is fairly new. I got this last year. It is very cute. It's like a houndstooth like tweed looking kind of jacket. I had a hard time styling it last year, so that's probably why you didn't really see it. Although now that I'm trying it on, I love when jackets are like the same length as like a mini skirt, and then you have like the tights, like black tights and like a boot of some sort. Like, I just think it looks really cute and like very mod. So now I'm leaning towards keeping it as well, guys. I'm not gonna get rid of anything. Like, this little overall pinafore dress type thing, and I think this was part of my fall lookbook last year, and I do think it's super cute. I love this print. The colors are really nice, but I had a really hard time styling it with tights just because the color is so light. I know this is not exactly fall, but I do have these shorts and they do have like this kind of fall plaid print on it, and I think I am going to get rid of these just because they are a little bit too big on me, so it just looks kind of awkward. I don't think I'm going to end up keeping these, but they are super cute. I actually really love these. And then I have these pants. And these are really cute. I got these last year or the year before that. I ended up wearing these to Montreal, if you guys remember my what I wore in Montreal kind of video. The good thing that I actually really like about these pants is that since they are fairly like baggy, you can add some tights underneath to keep you a little bit warmer, especially here in Canada when it's like really cold. But I'm not sure if they're like too pajama-y. Like, I want some pants in this print, but I almost want like a different fit. I don't know. Like, I'm not entirely convinced. And last but not least, we have these pants that look exactly the same as the other ones I just showed you, except they're blue, and this one actually has like a little like bow thingy tie belt, kind of like it with the pigtails. I'm just like, I don't even know what this is. Okay, anyway, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. After like 2 days, it is finally done. I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, let's start with this rack here. So we have all of my dresses and then some overalls over here. I did have to put some shoes here on the floor because I literally have no more room in my closet. I do have to make room for this dress. I'm a little unsure of where I want to put it just because it is a little bit more delicate since it has these like fluffy little cuffs on it. And this is what it looks like. It looks equally as cluttered. I'm very aware. My closet's really small. Okay guys, I had to literally like lie down on my bed to be able to film that shot. So here we have some color coordinated coats. Looks super cute. Love that. And then at the top we have some sweaters, so I have the more pastel colors, black and green, and then orange and red. And then I have more boot type things. And then I have some purses and some like really big fascinators up there. So I have some small bags and then some heels. I know this is terrible lighting, but here are some bags, and then I have some like white sweaters there and then some chunky sweaters down there. And then here I have more flat shoes. In the drawer here, look how much nicer this looks. Like, well, this looks kind of messy. Okay, ignore that. But it looks like so much better. There's a little bit more room up at the top that you can still add a bit more. I'm trying not to, but there is the option. Then my pants. Super great. I do have some shorts here, like winter shorts that I wear with tights, and then I have just like pants, and I also kind of color coordinated these as well. So that pretty much concludes this closet swap. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below which items I should get rid of, because I'm honestly not even sure. I feel like I'd like rushed through this closet swap just because I really needed to get it done, because I really needed some of my clothes. I'm so happy that it's finally all switched and I have all my fall clothes so that I can make more content for you guys. I have so many ideas, and there is a fall lookbook coming up. Like, I've been working on it and it's almost done. I'm really excited to show you guys. It's a little bit different than my usual stuff, so I hope you guys like that. What else? If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I promise you I don't look this awful all the time, or maybe I do, I don't know. Okay, honestly, I'm like so tired. I don't even know if I'm making any sense. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Bye!